I've yet to be able to perform that, which has kind of been a stab in the heart, but I'm restructuring and strategizing how to do that better, to be able to hold that volume. Like, I have to be able to have the team and the bandwidth to be able to control that volume of flipping. So my best year, I've done 6 flips in 1 year.
Wow, that's a lot of flips. A lot of flips, though. But like, one flip, how long will it take you and your team to flip it and then sell it?
About 3 months.
3 months. That's pretty fast. That's actually really good.
I have never had one of my flip projects be on market without an accepted pending offer for more than a week.
Wow. So it moves pretty fast then.
Yeah, they move.
Markets you're at too.
And I'm in that price point too. You know, like one of these, 2 of single families that I flipped last year, we bought both of them for $42,000 each. You know, 42 here, 42 here, and the sale price on those, all done. I mean, one had a brand new 2-car garage that we built from scratch. It was one's 165,000, I think 185,000.